Hi, my name is Without Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. I just did a live with Robin at Caden Mountain Mama Homestead, so go check her out. But here's the reason why I'm doing this little video. Yes, she's upstairs in her mommy and daddy's room. She still has a runny nose. She's got Anastasia's getting there. But doing a cooking show, doing stuff for Thanksgiving and everything. We were going to do our sugar cookies and some peanut butter cookies for her daddy and mommy. And, I don't know what it is. It's every time I've gone to do a video here lately, it's not turned out right. I have a premiere that came out today for the November cooking soup video. I did that video 6 times. 6 times all month. Every time I tried to do it, it would not come out right. It wouldn't. And the phone would stop, or something else would happen. It just would not work. So I'm like, okay. So finally just was able to get it done, because I had used up most of my ingredients, and I was like, it's Thanksgiving. I've got to do something. So I put it together, and I hope y'all enjoy that video. I will try to redo it. I was trying not to make it too long, because I know some people don't watch long videos. Anyway, cooking just doesn't happen in 30 minutes. I can tell you that right now. And if it does, they're pulling your leg. I'm sorry. I just have to say that. So, anyway, I was sitting here cleaning up and everything, and I was like, just thinking, I was like, what in the world? The cookie dough came out and worked perfect back when we did the last one. We made cookies for fall/Halloween and everything. But this dough today, the same dough, would not work. It would not come together. I tried everything. We finally ended up adding maybe a couple of tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons of water, just to get it to combine, to come together. It just wouldn't come together, and it doesn't even call for any water or anything. So I ended up doing a different cookie, a no-bake cookie. It's still not ready yet. Guess it has to chill. But when it's ready, I'm going to cut it up. So y'all, not quite there yet. So it has to chill. Usually takes a couple hours or so for it to chill and everything, to get the way you want it. It's a soft cookie. It's not a hard cookie, but you don't want it too soft and just mush, So I ended up doing that. But back to this cookie. So, yes, a Bible lesson. Gotta check on the ones that are in the oven, because they're not done yet either. So I was like, alright. So I'm cleaning up and everything, and Anastasia, she gets in this cabinet right there with the sprinkles and everything. And I did not see this piece of paper over there earlier, so I don't know where she had, because she took chairs and everything, and she made a circle with chairs, and she took a tote and made it as a table for her book club. And I thought it was the most cutest thing. I will show some pictures of that later. I may just do a quick short on that. But as I'm cleaning up, I found this piece of paper. And I got this, I got this from Joyce Meyer, but it says things that you need to think about on daily. And it was 12 things. And I picked it up, and I was like, yes, Lord, I need to stop for a moment and think. 1, meditate. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. 2, God loves me unconditionally. 3. I will not live in fear. 4. I am difficult to offend and quick to forgive. 5. I love people and enjoy helping them. 6. I trust God completely. There is no need to worry. 7. I am content and emotionally stable. 8. God meets all our needs abundantly. 9. I am disciplined and self-control. 10. I pursue peace with God and other people. 11. I put God first in my life and everything that I do. 12. I trust God. God has a good plan for my life. This is going to work out for good. I am right with God. And this was always on my fridge for the last 4, 5, 6 years. And it hasn't been there, and then all of a sudden it popped back up. And I have no idea where it's been or what happened to it, because she took it off, Anastasia took it off the fridge, and then, I don't know. But there it was, laying there, and I was like, God's telling me, it's okay to take a break. Breathe. It's okay. If you need time for yourself, if you're going through things, and we know some channels are grieving a loss, a lot of loved ones, it's okay. It's okay to grieve. It's okay. God's going to hold you. Then I moved this so I could put that paper up there. And this is a thank you card from Joseph Prince when I ordered books and stuff. The verse says, "Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid." And this verse has come up all week long in some way, somehow or another. I've come up, whether it's in Bible study, my Bible study, somebody else's Bible study, somebody else's video. We read the Bible at nighttime. And I thank God when He sees things over and over and over again. God's trying to tell you something, and it's like troubled heart. And I was thinking that about my videos, about, oh, I need to get this done, I need to get that done, I need to get, this video out and do this video. And then I wasn't even ready for this morning. Today's live at noon. And I was like, and I was like, God was saying, slow down. That's okay. And I think, I just want to sit and just chat with y'all a little bit. That it's okay. Just slow down. That's okay. And God's going to take care of it all. And yes, I'm telling myself that too. Because we speak life and not death over us. The power of life is in the tongue, and those who find it will find life. I know I didn't quote it right, but that's what it means. So even though if you're going through a bad time, if you've lost a loved one, our prayers and thoughts are with you. I'm not trying to make anybody cry. So, I just want to say, it's okay. God said it's going to be okay. So, y'all just, love on each other. Love on each other and have a good time with each other. And everything. And don't forget, Thanksgiving is tomorrow, but find something to be thankful every day. And don't look at a situation or a problem. Look to Jesus, and He will guide you. So that's my little chat. Like I said, everybody's in my thoughts and prayers. If you have a prayer request, leave them down below in the comments. I am praying for you. And I'm praying overnight over everybody. But if you have a specific one, leave them down in the comments below. And if you want to talk to me, let me know. My email is in my About page. Just click View Email Address and send me an email. And I hope y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. And We'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home. Yes, usually it's like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. Say that this time. We'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.